Students, the ICSE Chemistry 2026 exam has just finished, and in this video we will solve section A question 1 completely so that you can immediately estimate your marks. Keep your question paper in front of you and check your answers as we solve. Let us come to section A question 1. Choose the correct answers. Do not copy the questions. Write the correct answers only. Look at the first one. A non-metal which reacts with concentrated sulfuric acid to form two gases which turn lime water milky. The non-metal reacting with concentrated sulfuric acid to give two gases which turn lime water milky will be CO2 and SO2. So if we have concentrated sulfuric acid, we will get SO2, and if we have a non-metal like carbon, it will give us CO2. So the non-metal is carbon. Which of the following element pairs will form an ionic bond? P is element of group 1 and group 2. Q is elements of group 14 and 16. R is element of group 2 and 17. And S is element of 15 and 18. Ionic bond means it will be metal and non-metal, which means it can be group 1 or 2, not this. And we will have a non-metal, not this. This is possible and this is possible. This is not possible. So the correct option is R. That is C. The electronic configuration of the element is 282, which means it is going to be magnesium. It is going to be Mg2 plus. The hydroxide of this can produce how many hydroxyl ion per molecules? It will be MgOH twice. So it will be producing 2 hydroxyl ions per molecule. So that is option C. Keep collecting your marks, okay? See how many marks you all are getting. With respect to the electrolysis of copper to sulfate solution using copper electrodes, which statement is correct? Now, if we have copper electrode, your anode is going to take part in the reaction and it is going to give you this, which means anode mass is going to decrease and the blue solution color will remain the same. Copper metal deposited at the negative electrode is negative means cathode. So cathode has Cu2 plus migrating and gaining 2 electrons will give you Cu. So this is correct. Oxygen is produced at the positive electrode, no, because copper ions are produced. Positive electrode is anode is going to decrease in mass and the negative electrode decreases in mass. Negative, that is cathode, increases in mass. So the correct option is A. Identify the equation that shows the reaction of ethane with chlorine in presence of UV light. Ethane is this everywhere. Chlorine is here. Okay, now we have C2H4Cl2. It should be, so not this. Total of this should be 6. So here it should be HCl because 2 H's will go with 2 Cl. So this is wrong. C2H5Cl, this is the correct one. This is CH3. No, this is not the correct one because there is C2H6. I should have had C2 and H something over here. You cannot have only C. All right. So correct option is C. A hydrocarbon X undergoes the reaction under suitable conditions as shown below. So we have this is the butane, and butane undergoes the reaction this way, and it will give you this. Which compound or compounds are unsaturated? This is saturated, this is unsaturated. So Y only means presence of double bond. Rita added dilute hydrochloric acid for 4 metals. She recorded the observations. While noting her observations, she made some errors. Hydrochloric acid to 4 metals. So copper will not have any reaction. Observation. Now what are they telling us? Which observations made by her are, which are the observations made by Rita is or are correct? So if I have dilute HCl only, right? Yeah, dilute HCl. So if I have HCl, there will be no reaction. So this is wrong. Iron with HCl, a gas was given off, will be hydrogen, which is correct. Magnesium, no gas. Magnesium also will give hydrogen. So when they say no gas, and zinc, a gas was given off, that is H2. This is also correct. So 2 and 4 are correct. Where are 2 and 4? So D option is correct. Eighth one. An atom of X forms an ion according to the equation this. The atomic number of X is. So it has lost 2 electrons and it became X2 plus, which means it will be either 282 or it could be 2 comma 2. If it is 282, then it will be 12 as the atomic number. This will be 4 as the atomic number. So the correct option is here. If it is 16286 means it should have been X2 minus, but it is 2 plus, so it is a metal which will be having 1, 2, 3 electrons in the valence shell. Salts can be prepared by the action of dilute acid on dilute acid and bases is possible. With carbonate, dilute acid, metal and dilute acid, yes. With sulfites, now carbonates and sulfites, if you are confused about this, just take any carbonate, okay, and it will be, let us say, HCl, okay, dilute we have taken. What will I get over here? NaCl. Okay, one second. So this is also NaCl can be formed. From sulfites also I can get NaCl with Na2SO3. Okay, fine. So these are the methods. The method which cannot be used for the preparation of copper salt. Now, if I want copper salt, can I take a base like CuO and CuOH twice? Yes, I can. If I take a copper carbonate, which method? I cannot use metal and acid, right? Because Cu plus HCl dilute, there will be no reaction. Carbonate, if I have to have the action of CuCO3 plus HCl dilute, will give me CuCl2, so I can prepare copper salt here also. Same thing will happen with sulfite also. So which one I cannot, because copper is placed below H. So it is going to be C option. Paper is relatively easy, not like physics. The compound that has highest melting point from here, uh, highest melting point. Now look at the options. They have given this as the ionic and these are all covalent. Now highest melting point will be ionic compound, so it will be B. All the other covalent compounds have molecules held together by weak van der Waals forces, so the melting point will be low. Let us look at 11th. Dilute sulfuric acid is a stronger electrolyte than concentrated sulfuric acid. Now, dilute sulfuric acid will have more quantity of water. There will be more ionization. So, there will be higher concentration of H3O in dilute than the concentrated. So, this is true. Higher concentration means stronger electrolyte because there will be more ions. Reason dilute sulfuric acid has higher concentration of mobile ions is true and the correct explanation. Both of them are true and correct. Yes, it is option C. What volume of carbon dioxide is produced at STP when 5 liters of propane is burnt completely according to this reaction? Now there are 5 liters of this and they want to know what volume of CO2. So this is one volume, this is 3 volumes. So 3 into 5 means 15 liters. Very good paper, easy paper. Y'all should be able to get good marks, okay? An unsaturated hydrocarbon with 3 atoms of carbon and 6 atoms of hydrogen. So we have C3 and H6 is Cn and H2n, which means it is alkene. No, this is 3 6 unsaturated it is. So CnH2n is correct, alkene is correct. But they are saying now there are 3 atoms of carbon. So if it is CnH2n minus 2, so it becomes C3H 3 2 6 minus, it is not, it is 3 carbons and 6 atoms of hydrogen. C3H6 is CnH2n, so it will be 3 carbons is propene. Correct? It cannot be this. It is propene. Where is propene? Propene is here. The paper is so simple, sometimes you think that it's a trick question. Assertion A. In the electrolysis of acidified water, the volume of hydrogen liberated is twice the volume of oxygen is correct. By volume, it will be 2:1. This is true. And water has hydrogen and oxygen in the ratio 1:2 by volume. No, it will be 1:2. It will be H2O. So it will be 2:1 and it will be by weight. So this is not the correct explanation. This is false. So this is true and R is false. Okay. So this is your 14th one and we come to the 15th one. In electrolysis of molten aluminium oxide in the extraction of aluminium, which is the reaction that takes place? The following reaction. This is for Hoops process. This is wrong. 2O2 minus, no. This is not the correct one. Electrolysis of molten Al2O3. extraction of aluminium. This is the dissociation. Number 4 is the one. What are they telling you? The reaction that takes place at the negative electrode. Now this is the dissociation reaction. At the negative electrode, we will have 3O2 minus 6 electrons gives you 3O, and 3O and 3O will give us 3O2. But remember, negative electrode has got carbon as the element, which will combine with this and it will form this. So the correct option is 3. This was a little tricky one. This was the 15th one. So we finished the MCQs. In my next video, I am going to solve section A, question 2 and 3. So comment in the comment section your expected marks of question number 1 MCQ. Okay, I'll see you in the next video.